Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video I'll explain how to unlock skins in Free Fire for free. So if you've seen websites or apps claiming they can unlock every Free Fire skin instantly, then you need to be careful, because there is no legitimate skin generator or secret hack that unlocks paid skins for free. So instead, check the events collection in Free Fire for official missions, rewards, and limited time events. You may also receive skins or other items through official promotions, redeem codes, or in-game rewards when they're available. Then avoid modified APKs, skin generators, and websites asking you for Free Fire login information. These can put your account at risk or potentially result in account restrictions. So there isn't a secret tool that unlocks every skin, but you can use the official rewards and events available in Free Fire. That was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.